Hi everyone, I'm using this pink microphone, wireless microphone GLG BK076765 test mic, test mic. Right now, nakapin po siya sa akin, medyo malayo sa aking bibig, pero okay na okay pa rin tong wireless microphone. Sobrang sulit siya, meron siyang adapter for
Dad, look at me. Think back and talk to me. Did I grow up according to plan? And did you think I pointed my tongue? Do we think I